If you are still navigating the world of crypto, smart contract matrices, or decentralized MLMs, you've likely encountered matrix fatigue. You know the math. Eventually, the redistribution stops and capital gets trapped. Today, we are discussing the architecture that is replacing those legacy models in 2026, the native integration between the Bit1 Exchange and Endotech's neural AI. The biggest breakthrough this year isn't just the AI performance, it's the custody model. In the past, connecting to an algorithm meant generating complex API keys and hoping you didn't accidentally leave a withdraw permission checked. With the 2026 Bit1 architecture, that friction is gone. The integration is now native. This means you are leveraging Dr. Anna Becker's institutional-grade algorithms directly inside your Bit1 Futures account without ever exposing a cryptographic key to a third-party server. The deployment process is now a streamlined 5-step handshake. First, you secure your identity via the Limitless IB portal to map your account for the 2026 fee diversion protocol. Second, you sync your profile to create the backend link with the Bit1 infrastructure. Third, you fund your spot wallet with USDT. Fourth, you activate your futures account. This is where the AI extracts its alpha. And fifth, you launch the Endotech copy trading strategy. When you launch, the most critical setting is selecting fixed ratio. This allows your personal account to follow the exact proportional trades of the master super artificial intelligence machine, or SAIM. This isn't just a bot, it's a $40 million deep learning engine executing trades that stay liquid and under your 100% control at all times. Stop sacrificing your capital for the sake of a grid. It is time to move toward asset autonomy. I have published a complete visual walkthrough and a technical deep dive on this native integration, including how to bypass the current waitlist to secure your own AI node. Click the link in the show notes of this episode right now to access the full setup guide at limitlessportal.io. Your wealth should be as autonomous as the technology that generates it. I'll see you on the inside.